What's going on, friends? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In the last video we installed the AEM fuel pumps in the GTR, and today we are heading down to San Jose to get the car tuned. So me and my buddy Matt, we're gonna drive all the way down there. I'm taking my GTR, he's taking his Q60, and we're gonna have good times getting the car tuned and racing all the way back home. Let's hop in the car and get going. I was driving, the CHP gets right next to me, and I'm like, what is he doing? He must be going past me. Nope, gets right next to me, then gets behind me, goes over, turns his lights on, pulls me over. I'm like, what the hell is he pulling me over for? We had our cruise control set. We were good,
literally
right?
going 65.
Yeah, we were. So we're going, and he pulls me over, and he's like, do you have your license, this, that, and the other? So I give him my license, trying to be cool with it. Then he goes, okay, I'm gonna write you a ticket for window tint and for no front license plate.
Are you fucking serious?
Okay, whatever, man. And then
wait, hold on. Let's just, he passes me, right?
Yep.
I don't have a front plate and I have window tint.
Yep.
Passes me and gets behind him. Okay.
Yep. Okay. So then he goes, and I'm gonna need you to get out of the car and pop your hood. And I look at him and I go, sir, is this something that's necessary? Is there a reason? Like, what did you pull me over for? I start kind of asking him questions on why he's doing what he's doing.
Yeah.
And then I ask him, what's the vehicle code that allows you to search my car? And he says, I don't know it off the top of my head, but allow me to get it for you. So he goes back to his car, and I said, I'm gonna make a phone call before we do this. So I make a phone call, get some information from my buddy, who also happens to be a CHP officer, and he tells me exactly what to say, asks me, we had like a 10-minute conversation. This whole experience was like 30 minutes long. So anyways, long story short, I was able to let him look under my hood, and he let me go with just a warning because my car's completely stock. So long story short, that's basically what happens in a more roundabout way of explaining everything. So I can't believe it, dude. I'm so glad I put on extra deodorant because I'm like perspiring to the max right now. Like, oh my God. And the fact that you even pulled over with me, that was very brave of you. That was unbelievably brave of you. I was like, Matt, what are you doing? Because
I was like, there's literally no way we weren't doing anything. The worst thing he's gonna tell me is put your front plate on, because that's it.
So now I have to remove my window tint and then get it signed off. So I just have to he gave me basically a fix-it ticket.
Yeah, exactly.
For window tint.
Yep.
Woo! And then, the ironic part of everything, I went to start my car, my battery died.
No way.
So I had to pop my hood for him to jump me anyways. So that was the icing on the cake, dude. I walked over to him and I go, hey.
Was he nice after?
He was nice, yeah, he was nice after, yeah.
Okay.
So I walk over and I go, hey, my car died, can you jump me? And he goes, wow, you're awfully quick to pop your hood now. And I'm like, well, now that we both agree that my car's completely stock. Man, no, but that was hilarious. Like, all right, we gotta get back on the road. We're late, but let's get back on the road.
I know, we're hella late now.
Yeah, it's all good. I was talking with him, but we're good. We're good. Woo! Matt, I can't believe you pulled over. Dude.
What's he gonna do?
Dude.
He was...
Alright guys, well after all that drama, we finally made it to BAINS tuning. It was about a 2-hour drive. We had lots of fun and excitement getting pulled over, but we're here, we made it. So now we got the car on the dyno and we're gonna get her tuned up. look at some numbers. I don't know. Looking like 550-ish. Oh, 5. We got 561 horsepower, 573 torque. Getting there. Getting there. Yeah, 561 and 573.
Okay, nice.
There's more in there. There's much more in there.
Hit that plus key, bro.
Huh? I don't know. It's hard to hear.
I said, come hit that plus key, bro.
Exactly. Let's go see how we did. Oh, we're getting there. Come on, focus. Focus. There we go. 571 horsepower, 582 foot-pounds of torque.
Let's see if I get a flame.
I'm gonna see if I can get you getting a flame. Oh, you put your elbow on that? Show me. Damn. Damn.
This is the sweater.
No, no, it'll come out, dude. We cannot retire the sweater.
Fucking made like a spin floor.
Yeah. Nice. So 578 and 591 foot-pounds of torque on 91.
91.
Time to get that corn.
Corn juice.
We got that corn juice going in.
Wow. So this is horsepower calculator. So 578 to the wheel says you make exactly 700 to the crank.
Yeah, that's what the 700 package is for most fucking companies.
Yeah.
Cool. So 700
At the crank. Yeah.
All right, well now we got that E85 in the car, so now we're about to get a tune for that. Let's see how much power we're gonna put down. I'm gonna guess 650, because that's the number that I want. So I'm gonna guess 650, but maybe 630. Either way, I'll be happy, but let's go. First attempt, 635 horsepower, 641 foot-pounds of torque. Hell yeah!
600 club.
Woo, 600 club. I know you got some more juice in there. Yeah, hell yeah. Damn, 647 and 662. Come on, focus camera. There we go. 647 and 662. Damn. It's not bad. I knew you had it in you.
Me or the car?
I don't know. Both. Dude, I'm super impressed and super satisfied with these results.
Let's go drive it.
You wanna go drive it?
You go drive it.
All right. There we go. All right, let's see. Holy sh**. Oh my God. Which way?
Left. 100 foot-pounds of fuel feels different, huh?
Holy sh**. It was like, I didn't even put my foot all the way down.
You can go here again if you want.
Oh my God, dude, it wants to just keep going.
Yep.
Holy
The beauty of ethanol.
wow. Good Lord. It's good. It's good. Left here?
Yep.
Oh my God, did you guys see those numbers of my car on the dyno? Almost 650 horsepower to the wheels. Man. And we went for a drive. It feels completely different, night and day. Like, I thought my car was pretty quick before. It is an absolute monster now. It feels insane. Like, I just can't, like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I absolutely love it. So, huge, huge, huge shout out to Gary BAINS over at BAINS Tuning. He's a really good tuner. He puts your car on a dyno. He knows what he's doing. He's COB certified. Like, it's as legit as it comes with this guy. So be sure to check him out. I'm going to put a link to his Instagram in the description below. So be sure to check him out. Give him a follow because he definitely deserves it. I also want to give a huge shout out to Clarity AUTOWORKS because yesterday, one of their mechanics, Michael, he spent a good portion of the day. We worked on my injectors together. We got my front mount intercooler installed. It's not hard work, it's just a lot of work, and his work was extremely solid. And then I want to give another huge shout out to Matt because he came over to my house today and he helped me with the fuel pump install. He drove his car all the way down to San Jose with me. It's like a 2-hour drive, and he just did that just to accompany me and make sure like my car didn't break down. So super awesome, like super huge shout out to Matt as well. I know there's a lot of people who have helped me with my build, and I just want to give them props because obviously these builds don't happen by yourself, right? There's lots that go into it. And so just a big shout out to everyone that's helped me. Like even my buddy Josh, he helped me install my Corsa exhaust system. He also came over to help me when I did my air intakes. What else? Oh, he went with me the first time to go get my car tuned as well. And then yeah, man, just everyone who's helped me along the way. I really appreciate all of you guys. It means a lot to me because obviously, like, I can't do this on my own. So thanks again, guys. Like, it means a lot. I don't really have much else to say. I think I'm ready to wrap up this video. I think this video has shown what I wanted it to show, just getting the tune, showing the numbers. I know a lot of you guys probably want to see some pulls and some races and stuff like that, and you can expect to see plenty of that in the near future. People are already hitting me up, oh, let me get a ride, let me see how fast it is, oh, let's race. So there's going to be lots of content, good, safe, clean, fun, good content for you guys coming real soon to Burnt Rubber. So once again, guys, thank you so much for coming by my channel. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.